My friend, you don't want to fast or change diet or be a pranic, or you don't want any of this, right? Nobody cares about any of this. Nobody want to change, reduce the food that they eat. People love eating food on this planet. So do you know what you truly want? It's nothing to do with food. Nobody cares. What you truly want is the benefits you think this food aspect will add to your life. And most times people think the benefits are linked with like powers, capacities, rejuvenation, beauty, longevity, all of that stuff. And it's not even the case. All the benefits you think you're going to get by reducing or quitting this type of food, you can get them without changing the food aspect. You can get the same benefits that you want, okay, superpowers, superhumanity, all this stuff, longevity, while still eating and working on yourself. You can get all those benefits through using holistic practices, energy work, guided meditation, breath work, all those things, tuning yourself in, going into nature more. All these things that don't require any change in your food aspect are going to give you exactly what you want. So instead of rushing into like reducing your food, fasting, prolonged fasting, trying a pranic process, whatever it is you want to try, focus on you, like stay within. Pray, meditate, breath work, go barefoot in nature, do some qigong and tai chi and all type of energy work that feels right for you, yoga, move your body, walk, connect. Because when you start connecting, you realize naturally other aspects of your life are going to change. Naturally, the food will change and adapt to who you are based on the nourishment you give yourself first. See, people who live this lifestyle, including myself, food-free, they don't try and stop food. They nourish themselves first. They love pleasures in life, so they give themselves a life of pleasures. Massaging every week, breath work every day, awesome music, affirmations, connecting with nature, ecstatic dance, nourishing relationships and connections, dropping the whole couple relationship for a moment unless your couple is someone who is actually on the same journey and doing this with you, but even then you still want some space. You drop all this. Changing the lifestyle, quitting a draining job that you're doing just for the money. If you do all these things, you will feel nourished. And the nourishment you give to yourself on a daily basis, that will take you to places you have no idea about. Magical paths is opening up to you when you nourish yourself first. And then an out-of-body experience, these things that I share in my 7-day challenge, the next chapters, advanced, you will experience these things naturally without having to change the whole food game. Or shall I say, the whole food game will change naturally without you doing anything. You should try that way, the way nobody talks about. I'll see you in one of my retreat or my 7-day challenge. Link under this video. Bye now.